In this presentation, I'll go ahead and talk about the URL campaign. That's really important. Why? I'll let you know in a while. But as of now, let's discuss whatever the ad we are making. How can we track that? If you remember in the starting of our course, we have integrated our Google Ads account with our Google Analytics. And we also learned that how to track our ads information. So how to track that? Let's go to our Google Analytics. This is my Google Analytics account. Let me go back to my analytics again so that I can let you know how did I come here. So this is my Google Analytics account, which is dummy account as usual. Now what I need to do is, if you remember, we have learned how we can track in the Google Analytics. As you can see, inside the acquisition, we have Google Ads, and inside the Google Ads, we have our campaigns, which we can see here. Just a moment. We can see our campaigns here. As of now, I have paused all the campaigns. That's why I'm not able to see any of them. But yes, once I will enable them, I can see all of them over here. Secondly, what I need to do is, as you can see, whatever the site links I will create, it would look here. Why? Because I have integrated my Google Analytics with my Google Ad account. My keywords are here. My search queries would be here. My final URLs would be here. Everything would be here. And if you see this, all the traffic. Inside all the traffic, we have source and medium. Inside the source and medium, I have something called direct none, facebook.com. Which means I can get to know from here where my users came from. Did they came from, did they come from Facebook? Did they come from Google Ad? Did they watch my video on YouTube or wherever it could be? But you know what? If we run so many ads at a single time, what happened? We get confused. Actually, analytics get confused. Like, okay, so from which path did he came? From which path did the user come from? On that note, what happened? We did not find the right data and the right path. So at that moment, what we need to do is we need to find a tool through which we can get the right medium and the right source. And that tool is gonna be our URL campaign builder. How can you come here? Just search campaign URL builder over here. The first link, campaign URL builder, Google Analytics demos and tools. Click on it, and this is my campaign URL builder. This is exactly the same thing which we want. And through this, as you can read it here, these tools allow you to easily add campaign parameters to URLs so you can track custom campaigns in Google Analytics. Right? And trust me, this is the best tool which I have tested till yet. Like, I have tested so many tools to, track the path, but this is the one which I like the most. So what I'll do, first of all, let's create it first. So now it's asking me, what is the website URL? What is my URL? What is my website URL on which I want to see my traffic? That's my dummy.guruschool.in. So I'll copy the address. That's dummy.guruschool.in. Copy and then paste it. And then paste it right here. It's pasted. Now it's asking me what is the campaign source. So what could be the source? Like, did he came from Google? Did he came from Facebook? Which one? Suppose it came from Google. Now, if you can see in this field, I have written Google in all the small letters. Not even a single G caps. Why? Because the thing which you will write here, same as it is, you need to write in Google Analytics and somewhere else as well, wherever you want to tag this one. So make sure if you will make G capital over there and small g would be here, then it would not match. And it would consider two Googles. Not a single thing, it would consider two. So make sure whatever you write here, the same thing should be written on the other side too. Now it's asking me what is the campaign medium. Like, is it a display ad? Is it a search ad? Is it a YouTube ad? Which ad? Now suppose I say it's search ad. It's a search ad. Now it's asking me what is my campaign name. What could be the campaign name? Campaign name could be anything. Like suppose my campaign name is, I'm showing my ad only to the India people, or maybe only to a particular country or particular state between the age of 18 to 24. So suppose I'll take the state as Mumbai 1824. That's my campaign name, and it could be anything. Then you have campaign term. A big suggestion, you should not go for keywords right here. You should not write your keywords over here. Why? Because your competitor will able to see through which keyword you are entertaining and you are getting your I should say traffic. So you should not mention over here. Same goes for campaign content. Do not add it. We'll simply come here and copy the URL. Once you copy the URL, we'll come back to our Google accounts. Where is my Google account? Wait, I think I missed my Google account. All right, no problem. Let's open my Google account again. Oh, wait, I found it. So instead of creating a new ad, what I'll do, I'll simply go to my ads and extensions. Inside the ads, I'll go to my ad, and suppose I have gone for search ad, right? So I'll come here and hit on edit. Inside the edit, where is my final URL? Instead of that URL, I'll simply copy that URL. And why it's that the green mark? Just because in the starting of it, I did not mention the HTTPS. Now everything is same. Now I can get the right path. I can say save and create the extensions. Just save it. Oh wait, I don't want to create the extension. Come to Google Ads. And suppose I want to, on a different tab, I want to show you something. Look at this. It's which website I want to see the traffic. It's dummy.guruschool.in. And what is the source and medium? It's Google. And what is this, what is the source? That's Google. And what is the medium? That's search ad. And what is the campaign name? That's Mumbai 1824, which I have written, which I have mentioned. Same. And simply if I hit on this and enter it, it won't give me any kind of result. Only it would give me my Guru School ID. That's it. So this is how I can go ahead and create the campaign URL builder. Now if I come back to my analytics and refresh it, and just wait for a couple of seconds. Once it is refreshing itself, and there we go. Nothing has been changed. Why? Because I have already, first of all, I have already paused all the ads. Second, first of all, I have paused all the ads, and nothing is published. And first of all, my website is dummy, so I cannot get the views, I cannot get the source and medium, anything. But yes, this is how you can go ahead and you can try it with your own website too. If you want more clear examples, I can let you know. What we can do is we can go to a new tab. So suppose there is a site which is called GradeUp. They uses UTM. If you want, I can let you know. Look at this. They use online test series, UTM source, that's AdWords, search green card, that's green card, UTM medium, that's CPC. So basically they use the UTM builder. That's what I want to show it to you, that this is how it could look like. And if you look something like GLT, and as of now, they have taken a lot of things. GCL ID, that's a Google ID, which Google places by itself just to know how many clicks and all. But that's we can learn later once we start doing in advanced level, right? So as of now, just learn that how we can use a campaign URL builder to track the right path, how the customer came to our website. Make sure you should try this at least once, because I personally think this is the very best tool. All right. So that's it for this video, to track how to track the exact location of our customers. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next lecture.